I have installed one extra plugin. It is one-click demo import, this plugin here. And I will now go to the appearance, import demo data. Active theme is my theme Cardea WordPress. And I will import content. Select file. I will now go to the demo content. Let's say demo 1. Content, continue and import. I will wait a while. It is complete. Let's check now the reading. Static page, one page, blog page, save changes, Elementor settings, save changes. I have not set the widget, the footer and the menu, but let's take a look first on our demo content. Here it is. All is fine.